Wow, you're so tan.
Who, me?
Yeah, what's your secret?
Oh yeah, it's, Mom, do we have any more sunscreen? This one's all out.
I ain't got no money for that. Just go back inside.
The landlord said he would kick us out if we didn't pick up all this trash and spray for weeds. I guess sunburn it is. Just a lot of time in the outdoors, in the sun and stuff.
Wow, so chic. Finally, it's the last day of school. What are you gonna do this summer?
Oh, my plans, right. Hey Mom, can I go to the free library?
No, you have to babysit your little siblings.
No, it's okay. It's not your fault. I would love to watch you.
And don't expect any money.
I'll actually be babysitting a lot of this summer.
Lucky, I wish I had a real job. My mom only gives me $50 a week, and she makes me do the dishes.
Yeah. I literally just did all the outside work on my own, and you couldn't at least pick up the inside?
I was napping. Leave me alone. It's not even that bad.
We literally have roaches.
At least we get to sit around and eat junk food all day and not that nasty school lunch.
And remember, we're not going to get free breakfast or lunch at school, so you're going to have to save some of those food stamps for us this time.
No, I sell the extras to buy my white claws. Just fend for yourself. Yay, school's over. You have an amazing break.
Yeah, you too. I'll see you next year.
Have you ever got super hungry during gym class and wished you had an edible deodorant? Well, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you how to get your teachers to finally let you eat in school.
First, get out a brand new deodorant stick. Then take all of that product and throw it right in the trash. And no, this is not wasteful because deodorant isn't even expensive.
Don't forget to get out your water and your soap so we can clean it.
Scrub it up good.
Once that's completely cleaned out, get out your microwave safe container and some white chocolate. Go ahead and gently pour a little bit of your white chocolates into your bowl. Perfect.
Pop this into the microwave in 30-second increments until it's ooey gooey.
Kids, make sure to have a responsible adult help you with this part. Yay, it's done! Now that it's completely melted, it's time for my favorite part.
Also, make sure to subscribe to my account and check out all my other edible school supply videos. They're rad.
And smooth out the top. Last, put it in the fridge to harden for 30 minutes. And now, simply twist to reveal your new edible deodorant stick. Yummy!
Hey girly, welcome to Claire's. How can I help you today? It's almost your first day of middle school and you want some cute back to school stuff? Of course I can help you. Like, live for this, honestly. Okay, I'm thinking we start by piercing your ears and you shaking your head. What do you mean you're scared? No, I mean, it's really not that bad. And I'll spray some numbing spray on your ears and you can cuddle with the Care Bear. It'll make you really cool. Yay! Okay, okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mark where it's even. Yes, and do you want Rainbow Bear or Sunshine Bear? Both? Oh my gosh, that's great. Okay, this is my favorite part. Ready? 1, 2. You didn't even feel it, did you? Oh, you did? Okay, well, let's just do the other one real quick and be over with. Oh my gosh, girly, those holes are perfect. Now we just need to find some earrings to go in them. Like 50% off, mainly because like one's missing. Unicorns aren't cool. Oh, what about these? Oh, you can't afford those? Well, that's okay. Just like swap these packages. I mean, like, who's gonna know? How cute would those be? Like, oh my gosh, it looks so good, girly. I'm like so jealous. Hurry, I'm running late. Gotta be speedy because I have an important event that I have to be at in 3 hours ago. Turn my straightener on. Like, I think we have time for a full face of glam. What do you guys think? Are you serious? This mascara is literally like the best. Like, watch. No cuts, no edits. Look at how crazy. Oh my gosh. Like, literally, it looks like I have a fake lash on. Why would you do that? You know? But yeah, so that's like where I'm like at today. You guys wanna like come with me to like Target? I don't know. Like, go together. Oh my gosh, it's like so early. But today's gonna be an amazing day. Oh, even though I like look awful. Sorry guys, like I just woke up. So hey guys, just wanted to come on here and let you know that I have a super special surprise announcement that I can't tell you about yet. You guys just don't understand like how hard it is to be an influencer. This is just like my regular room. Like I'm just like you guys. I'm not rich like everyone says. Like, hey sleuths, it's time for a back to school haul. I'm gonna skip right over all this boring learning stuff and start with the fun clothing and makeup. Hi friends, let's do a quick back to school haul. I'm gonna start with my super fun colored pencil. Did shop at Walmart, so we did go to like every single store at the mall. I think I'm gonna start with everything I got at Sephora. We got some foundation, mascara, lip gloss. So I got a chapstick. I was allowed to get one. And this is a Louis Vuitton makeup bag that I can keep all this stuff in with me at all times. And this is the pencil box.
box. I do have to keep the chapstick in my locker though. And then of course I had to get stuff for snacks. Brand new Stanley cup because like my other 4 from last year are just like old and crusty. Of course, we're not allowed to have food or drinks in the building except water. A Camelback water bottle that's a hand-me-down from my sister. As far as clothing, I got this super cute skirt, a little bit shorter than dress code. Like super pretty, so they usually don't say anything. As far as clothes, I'm super lucky because I was allowed to get 1 brand new shirt. I hope that this is long enough. Do you imagine like getting sent to the principal's office for dress code violation? Like, welcome back, Bulldogs. I know the first day of school can be a lot, so do not stress out anyone. I thought we could all come up to the front of the classroom individually and tell a fun fact about ourselves. Hi, I'm Lily. Fun fact about me is that I went to Florida this summer. What up, what up? The name is Zach, but you ladies can call me anytime. Yeah, so fun fact about me is this shirt actually looks better off. Not inappropriate if it's true, Miss Smith. Hi, I'm Cammie, and fun fact about me is I have naturally curly hair. I'm Jessica, by the way. Fun fact about me is I'm the captain of the volleyball team and president of the student council. Want to vote for me for prom queen? They'd be like, great. Okay. Hey guys, I'm Caitlin, and fun fact about me is I love math. Miss Smith, you heard that right. I just love like adding and so yeah. I'm Lucas, and fun fact about me is I collect animal bones that I find in the woods, and then I keep them stored in a box in my closet. Hey girly, sorry to bother you, but I noticed that you didn't turn in any of the required school supplies that we had to bring today. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. No, don't worry about it. It's just my mom always does this silly little thing where she buys extra stuff in case, you know, another student forgets theirs or whatever. I just like really don't want to have to carry this around with me all day. So like if you want to like turn it in, like you can have it. You
This
know?
means a lot. My family couldn't afford.
No, you don't have to explain. Yeah, have it. Anyways, my name is Caitlin. What's yours?
Ella.
Oh, nice to meet you. You want some candies?
Oh, sure, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I was starving. I didn't have money for breakfast this morning, so thank you.
What? No, like it's crazy. Like actually, my mom, she like packed me some like extra snacks and stuff. Like are hungry. Like you can literally like take those.
No, I can't.
No, like seriously, like just take that stuff because like it really will help me out. We need to like watch my sugar intake and stuff.
Okay,
like,
sure, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Also, I noticed that you don't have a water bottle. Like,
Oh, yeah. No, I don't have one.
you know what? That actually works out perfect because I actually have this extra Stanley cup, like taking up so much room in my bag. So like maybe like if you could take this one off my hands. Like, things that I better not see at school this year. Obviously, first on the list are nerds. This is just like something that we need to get in the hang of, like if we're gonna be going to college in a couple years, because like everyone knows that nerds are just like, ew. A second on the list is like, I don't want to see any PDA unless you're like good looking. Obviously, like you can like do PDA, but I'm talking like cheerleader, football player, like not band geek or anything like that. Nobody wants to see you uggos smooching it up like over in the locker bay. Next is pimples. Like they make pimple patches now, people. Like if it's a problem and it keeps happening, like go to the doctor, wash your face, drink some water. Like another thing that I better not see at school this year are snitches. Like, yeah, honey, I was taking a picture of you while you weren't looking and like sent it around the whole school. But that was because you were literally like slunched over with your glasses like this. So funny. Like I like had to like take a picture. That's not my fault. Like you didn't have to tell on me. Like, you know, like
I can't believe Coach made us invite Ella to the mall.
I know. I can hardly believe she even made the squad. Well, lucky for us, I'm a genius and I have the perfect idea to make sure she never cheers.
Speaking of, here she comes.
Hey, Ella, come here.
Ew, why are you being so nice?
Just follow my lead. I'm so glad I finally found you girls. I was waiting in the food court like you guys said. Come on, girls, are you serious? We were looking all over for you and me. What's this? I stopped at Claire's on my way and I literally got so many really cute things. Oh, wow. Anyways, the girls and I really don't know you that well and we just had a couple questions to ask you. Yeah, I would love to answer. Right, so first, my question is like, are you cool? Yeah, I would say that I'm pretty cool, I guess. Gosh, that's perfect. I knew it. So that means that you wouldn't mind paying for all of our makeup, would you? Oh, I see. How much is it? I mean, it's really no big deal if you don't have enough money. You could always just take it without paying for it. What? No, I could never. Coach said if we get into any trouble that we could get kicked off the cheer squad. I think I do have $40. Do you think that'll cover it? Oh, you know what? I have an amazing idea. How about I go pay for the makeup with the money you gave us, keep shopping with the other girl, and like get to know them a little better. Hey, yeah, sounds good. I'll meet you over there in a minute.
All right, thank you so much for buying all this stuff for us. Here's your lip gloss. Cool, did they not give you a bag? They ran out of bags, so I said that it was okay, we would just carry it out. No worries, I'll just put it in here. I'll see you girlies at practice. Bye. Toodles.
What kind of plan was that?
No, I didn't actually pay for the stuff. And the lip gloss has security sensor on it, so when she goes through those doors, security will catch her and she'll be off the team.
Wow, you're a genius.
I know.
Why didn't it go off?
I'm so confused. Come on, girls, let's go check this out.
Caught you red-handed.
No, I wasn't.
I've heard it all. You girls are in a lot of trouble.
Are you Ella's sister?
Oh, yeah.
I thought so. I was just confused because normally she has brand new clothes, her hair and makeup done, and you don't, so.
Oh, right. Okay, Mom, now that we found all of Ella's back to school stuff, can we go shopping for me now?
Do you really need all new stuff? Can't you just use Ella's hand-me-downs?
I guess we just have different styles, is all.
Oh, yeah, clearly. Mr. Smith's about to pass back our test. You think you did okay?
Yeah, I think I did pretty good. I studied a lot, so.
Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, I got
Honestly, I'm a little disappointed because you're Ella's sister, so I thought you would have done better.
Yeah, she is pretty smart, I guess. Gosh, this is so hard. I don't understand any of this at all. Since you had this class last year, is there any way that you could help me?
Ew, I never actually learned that stuff. I just copy off the smart kids. Well, I'm sure you're at least athletic like her, right?
I just never really played sports as much as her, so.
Oh, really? Why not?
Okay, Mom, I figured it out. I'm gonna play soccer this year. They have tryouts.
I won't be able to take you to practice. Ella has volleyball and cheer.
Okay, or she could just do one sport. I could do one sport, make it fair.
Listen, I know you want to be just like Ella because she's so cool, but let's just let her stick to the sports. She's good at it.
Right. Oh, wait a minute. Did you actually think I was going to eat these school supplies? Maybe tomorrow, but not today, because this fun DIY video, I'm going to show you how we're going to donate to schools in need. Okay, let's travel to my classroom so I can explain. All right, welcome to the classroom. First and foremost, okay, so here's how it's going to work. And if you don't have any money to donate, then just stick around. So, I started I'm not keeping that. This is where, okay? How this will work is essentially I'll take all the funds, get a hold of local schools, and figure out what type of supplies they're most in need of. Whether that be actual school supplies, sanitary supplies, food, whatever. Then I personally will go to the store, pick out all the supplies, and hand deliver them directly to the school. And I'll make sure to put it all on video. So that way everyone actually has proof of where their money's going and they can see it happen in real life. Want to donate? Great. If not, please make sure to spread this around as much as you can. And if we only get $5 or $5,000, I'm definitely still gonna make a video and show you guys what we got.
Have you ever wanted to eat slime? Well, what if I told you that now you can?
That's right. And using ingredients that you take from your mom's baking cabinet while she's not looking, you also can make this edible slime.
First, we're gonna separate all of our marshmallows by color into these microwave-safe containers.
I wanted mine to be rainbow. That's why I use these colorful ones. But if you only have those boring white marshmallows, I guess that's fine too.
Great! Now set those to the side and get out your microwave.
This can get so hot, so have a responsible adult help you.
Oh, yay, they're done. And now that it's at a perfect ooey gooey consistency, time to mix in the cornstarch and the oil.
Now, super carefully scoop out the powder and make sure not to make a mess in your bedroom floor.
Oh, I can't believe I did that. That was so silly.
Oil time!
Let's mix, mix, mix.
I added more baking powder to make mine extra fluffy.
Now it's time for my favorite part,
which is combining them all to make the rainbow. Look at that. This was so much fun to make. Thanks for being here.
Wow. What do you say we try a bite and see how it tastes? Okay, I finally got all this gold boo-boo makeup off. Now, can you please tell me what your plan is so I don't get eliminated?
Yeah, hurry. Take your pants off.
What did you just say?
You heard me right.
Okay, I know we're desperate and everything, but I don't think the judges will appreciate if I go on a stage and nothing.
There's no time for questions. Just give them.
Okay. Hey, listen, I trust you and everything, but I really need to know what your plan is because I don't want to be eliminated.
Obviously, I'm going to turn you into a pair of jeans.
But how is that a trending TikTok?
Oh my gosh, you're running out of time. Do you want to win or not?
Okay, I guess I don't have a choice. Okay, I'm wearing the jeans like you said. We only have a couple more minutes. I guess
Hold on, I'm not done yet. I still have to paint your face blue.
I hope your idea works.
It will. Just relax.
Great, now I'm a pair of jeans, but I still don't understand what that has to do with the
The
TikTok.
contest is about to begin. Just walk on stage confident.
Wish me luck. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Ew, who brought their dirty laundry backstage?
Hi, Ella. Nice little boo-boo costume. Very original.
At least the judges will know what I am. Have you looked in the mirror? Up next is Caitlin. Good luck. Would hate to see you get eliminated.
Whatever.
What is she?
I don't know.
Oh no,
Wait, I know what she is, and it's brilliant.